Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of Excel, and I promise you that you will learn a lot of things that you didn't knew about. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I will try to put the timestamp too. So if you are interested in watching only those sections, you can just go for it. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, we're gonna learn how to set up the Excel and how does the first view looks like. So to do this, you just have to sort of follow the basic step that I will mention you now. So I have a folder here and I have three files here. So basically what you have to do, just open the second one. You just open the second one. I have written the basic thing, just you have to install this setup. So this is the basic setup I have, and this around 6 MB. You just have to install it. Just copy this new text document and you have to save as 1.cmd. And you have to run this 1.cmd as admin, and before trying to do everything, just you have to off the real-time protection on your PC, and you are ready to go. It's the crack version you can use for free. So I will put this in the description. You can download it from the description section. So yeah, let's go back to the PPT then. So next thing, we are going to learn why the Excel is important in business. So as it summarizes everything in this 3 points. The first one is graphing, second one is data organization, and third one is programming. So graphing simply means you can plot multiple, you have lot of opportunities, you can plot multiple plots by using Excel. And data organizations mean you can manage huge chunk of data in the Excel. You have lot of columns, you have lot of rows, so yeah, you can do it. And programming means you have some basic powerful commands that you can use to manipulate your data. So yeah, so let's move to the further section. So this is the section we're gonna cover mostly. We're gonna learn this 7 parts. So apart from this part, if you have any doubt in any section, you can just directly comment out below. If it is big section, I will make a new video on it. If it is small, I will try to put the answer in the chat box itself. So let's move the first part, copy pasting the data from internet, downloading CSV, or using data section to import external data. So what does it mean? So if I directly go to the Chrome, so I have a section so see, this is Omicron cases in India today. So today is 15th of Jan. What you can do is just directly copy this thing and Control-C it and just go to Excel and create a new sheet. This is the first view of Excel if you don't know. So we have something called home, insert, layout, formulas, data, reviews, everything. So we will learn some of the basic thing. You can just copy, Control-C and Control-V it. So you can see all the data you can get in the Excel too. So this is the first way. The second way to do it, just directly go to the Chrome, and in some section, if this is the population wise, country by population, you can directly download the CSV. So if you directly download the CSV and double tap it, so you can see it's opening. So it's sort of look like this. So all the data you have in now Excel. The third thing you can do is directly go to this data section. There is a called get external data. Click it from web. Just copy it. Just copy the link first. This, if this is the Omicron daily cases I need, just Control-C the link. Go back to this Excel one and just Control-C and Control-A and Control-V. So just go for it, and if you click go, it will ask you continue the script. Yes, and yeah, now you can see, now you can import all this thing including the table also. So if I click import, it will take us a while. So it's asking do you want to copy this in existing worksheet or you want to create a new. So I will try to create a new worksheet. So it is now started copying everything. So now you can see everything including the table also I have in my Excel, I can directly use. It's called web scraping if you don't know. So yeah, this is the first part we have completed. So I will mark it as some other color. It's done. Second is converting all the data in a table. So let's do one thing. I will just focus on one thing. This is a happiness 2021 index, and I have this data. What should I do? I will convert all this thing into table. You can do one thing. You can press Control-A that will help you to select all the data in the table. Then you can directly use Control T. If you use Control T also, it will ask you my table has a header. It means like this first column, this first row is your header. If not, you can add a header or you can directly uncheck it. So I have a header, so I will put OK. Now it automatically puts a filter in your section. If you want to remove the filter, you can just directly click remove filter. Now it's look fine, right? So this is how you can create a table in the Excel. So converting all data into Excel, it's very simple, right? Yeah. So the third thing we have is applying filter on the columns. So as you have saw that how to apply a filter. If I want to apply a filter here, I can just directly select all of them, go to this sort and filters and use this filter button. If I press filter, I'm sorry, just go filter and apply filter. Now you can see this country, I have like all this country. If I want to only see like where is India, this is India. So to select India, I have to deselect everything. So deselect everything and go back again and select only India and press OK. Now you can see India is rank 136, happiness is 3.819 in 2021, 19, 20 and 2021 population. So its population, happiness on, it's like improved some positions. Yeah. So this is the third thing we had covered, applying filter to the column. Sorry, I will put in another color in now. Yeah, arrange the data in a beautiful manner. So what does it mean? So if I have to remove this filter, what I will do, I will just go here and I will directly use cancel filters, because this is where I use the filter, right? So I will clear filters from country. So if I clear filter everything, it will show me that everything is clear. So if you want to present this in a beautiful manner, so what you can do, press Ctrl A, so it will select everything. So use this box and do like thick outside border, and you can do another thing is like all border, like this all borders inside, you can do like this, and just go to this view section and there is a line called grid lines. Just remove this grid line. Now you can see only your table, this table is in this format and everything else is in like white thing. You can write it here, you can plot graphs. So we will talk that in further section. So this is how you can do it. And just to like beautify more, you can use this merge to center. If it is more like, if it is in like small boxes and if you have to big it, just double tap it, it will directly full the screen, like full this column. So this is like you can arrange in the beautiful manner. And the next section we have is plotting graphs. So how we can do this plotting graph section is like, if I have a section called here insert, so what I can do is insert, there is a section called graph. So I can use this recommended chart. Just I have to select the column first. So I will select column B and column C and I will go recommended chart. So I can see I have a like this chart or like this chart. So I can use this column called all charts. So I can directly use this or OK. So if I press OK, it will present me this graph. I can use this graph and I can see okay, this Iceland, and it's like it's very a good graph and it's very interactive with the table, you can see, right? And you can like edit it by adding plus sign. You can insert access, title, chart title, data label, data table, error bar, legends. If you don't know what is legends mean this all are called legends, and the trend line, everything you can do. So just you can play with this and you can learn by experimenting. There's a lot of graphs also, you can use them. So plotting graph is one section that we covered now. The next thing is learning basic formulas. So what does this mean? So for the further part, I will just delete this graph. So what I can do is, if I have to like sum all this, right, what I can do in this column, I will create a column called sum. Okay, sum. Yeah, control this, I just press Control A, I will put bold section. Okay, what I can do, I just put equals to, I will use formula sum of, I will put bracket I will press control and close bracket and enter. If I press enter, it will show me the like sum of all this thing. And this hash means like the column is not full. Double tap it, you can see the whole thing. Now you can have this sum of everything. To do another thing like average, average, what you can do is you can directly use the same thing. Sum here, use this like equals to this divided by how many you have, like 3, right? This 3, enter. Now you have average of everything. So it's just some basic thing, basic formulas. Now is sum, average, percentage, everything you can do here. Just explore more if you want to learn. So I just leave it up to you. So this is the basic formulas. So the another thing is very powerful tool, pivot table. So this is one thing that we will learn today. So I will control Z this average and sum. So it doesn't need them. So yeah. So now okay, I need to delete this thing. So see what I can do. I will just press Control A and I will go insert pivot table, right? So I will just put a new worksheet and press OK. Now it shows me like what do I want to use. So what I can do is there's something called filters, column, rows and values. If you don't know, this A, B, C, D in the top is called columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows, and the filters on which you can do the filters, and there's rows, like this is the rows and this is the value. You can use the sum, count, everything you can do here. So what I will do is I will put this column first. I will put country as a row. So if I put country as a row, I will get everything like in the row. So I want to check the happiness index, so I will put the column as happiness 2021. So I will get the column as like happiness index. So I don't want to do this, so I will put this as a column itself. So now you can see for every country I have like this happiness index. It's more like aggregation. If you know Python, how do we do the value dot aggregate, like group by the data on some aggregated values. If you know Python, you can more correlate there. So if I want to remove something, like if I don't want country happiness, I will just drag up it. So I will just want to use like rank. So if I want to know the rank, I will put this in the column. So if I put in the column, it will come like this. If I put in the values, it will come like this. It will show me this country is alphabetically, so it shows me at which rank the Finland is number 1, and this is. So if I want to like more aggregate the data, okay, I'll apply the filter of this happiness 2021. If I apply the filter, it will show me the values, like some values. If I want to see only data with 4.2.6, it will show me this Myanmar got the value of 4.426 and the this rank is 123. You got me right, and the sum of the rank is showing. So if you want to edit it, just go to value field setting and you have sum, count, average, mean, max, like lot of options are there, you can use them. So yeah, this is all about like pivot tables, and you can explore more to learn more, right? So this is all I had for this video today. If you want to learn more, so the learning is a never ending process, so you can experiment more, and if you have any doubt, just put into the comment. I will try to solve everything I can. So yeah, thank you and have a nice day to all. Bye.